Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you YOLO based vehicle detection and classification. So if you click on the start video, you just have to select any video from the folder. Okay, it will take to process that video, and then it will open the video frame and it will count the total number of vehicle passing through that particular line, and it will classify the type of vehicle and it will calculate the speed of particular vehicle. So if the vehicle going from the up to down, okay, or bottom to up, then it will calculate the vehicles. So it works on the FPS and it will continuous changing, and the car counting as 7, motorcycle 0, truck 0, bus 0. Okay, simultaneously it will count the vehicle and calculate the speed of that particular vehicle in km/h. Okay, so this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to detect the object. Like this project is trained on the large dataset of vehicle. It can detect the type of vehicle, okay, and can classify it. Project user interface developed using Tkinter library. Okay, the YOLO algorithm is used to classify the type of vehicle and calculate the speed. Okay, this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. We'll try to reply soon. And if you're searching a type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.